US crude has finally breached 82 levels and still it is getting or swinging in between the trading range of 81.8, 82.2. Good resistance zone exists here. At the same time, natural gas, which is precisely reversed from close to 2.7 and has now again got the support at 2.55 intact, and since then it is trying to rise or retrace a little. So what to expect from crude oil and net gas today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll look into oil, followed with gas. Do watch till the those who are new to the channel, let me share this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Definitely, it also carries equal weightage and hence do not miss that update. And do press the bell icon. And yes, for everyone else, do press the like button and do share, subscribe, and comment. That's always been a great motivation for me. With that, let's start with oil, and also you can remain updated with the live market moves by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, if you look at the moves from oil, you will find see a higher lows, higher highs trying to trade in bullish channel on the hourly charts. Support on the downside is intact at 81 now. 81 very good support, very good support here. You can see this, and then 80.5, you can see 80.4, 80.5 was the earlier resistance. Now it is going to remain the support here. Till that time we should not treat this as bearish. Now see, after attaining the highs here, it is trying to reverse here, couple of red candles. However, the bears are still not completely in the full swing, because see the bearishness getting diminished with the 2 hourly candles here. So we will watch out for more. Yes, prices are divergent from the moving average and hence it can converge for 81.6, 81.2 or 81 levels also. This is also possible. Stochastic has dropped. MACD looking forward to converge crossover for sell. Though it is still in green, RSI has dropped a bit and now trading comfortable. Now look at the 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, it is very easy. See rise retracement to the moving average, rise again, a retracement to the moving average is possible, which is right now situated at around 81.4 level. So see, the support level, resistance level earlier is now going to be the support levels, and hence 81.4, 80 and 80.5, these three levels you should watch out for. Stochastic overbought trying to look down, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI looking down here trying to trade bearish. On the 3 hour charts, likewise, see beautiful support is taken from the 20 period moving average, and it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. So yes, it is still bullish. Do not think it of as bearish. Let it break below 80, and that is where we should expect that it is reversed and more bearishness may prevail. Stochastic overbought, MACD almost flat here. RSI is looking downwards, suggestive of slight bearishness. Coming to 4 hours, similar observation, all the three moving averages trading with divergence, trading with bullishness here. RSI overbought, MACD flat, stochastic overbought, MACD flat, and RSI is also near to overbought levels. Coming to the daily charts. Now see on the daily chart, see 20 and 50 crossover, 20 and 100 crossover, 50 and 100 crossover. Now all laying over one over other, suggestive of strong bullish momentum here. See, these two are diverging, these two are also divergent. This is suggestive of very good bullish momentum. Now, if you look at the preceding two candles, you will find see support here at 80, then 79, and then 78.4 levels. Anyways, till then we should not treat this as bearish. Also, if you look at see higher lows, higher highs are seen. Now, from this channel, you can see still it is a bullish channel, and even if it tries to drop for the day, 80.4 and 80 levels should not be breached. Below that, more bearishness may prevail, and we can look forward to in fact 78 levels. Now why 78? You can see the 20 period exponential moving average lying over there. Also you can see the prices are too much deviating from the moving average here, and hence it should try to converge. But before that, how far it can stretch the rise, that is something you should look at. Also, second observation here is see the bullishness getting diminished here, but the yesterday's candle has a good long tail on the downside, suggesting that the prices are equally not willing to stay bearish. That is also equally important. Stochastic on the daily charts is overbought and it is consistently running overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish, looking upwards here. And if you look at the daily charts, you will find the oil has achieved the pinnacle of this rise. Possibly it should converge a bit. RSI is also trading overbought. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 81.6 levels, and below 81.6 till 81 and 80.4 you have to keep your stop losses at your entry price and keep booking profits. And if you see it trading in the same direction, you should re-enter. So till 80 rather, I will say you have to remain watchful alert, and it can bounce back any point of time. So 80, 80.4 levels you should watch out for, and hence you can sell here at 81.6. On the upside, a buying entry only I will recommend is above 82.2, but then 82.4, 82.5 is the first resistance zone, very nearby but very strong. Or only above 82.5, this time we can see it hitting 83.5 and 84 levels, the next resistance zone there. 84 is a good call there. Possibly if it stays above 82.5, certainly the bulls will take the charge and it is going to fly high. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And before we proceed to natural gas, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 24th batch is going to start on 7th of August. Limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for gas here. See, one bearish move, retracement, lower high, then sharp bearish move, then retracement. One thing is very clear, 2.55 is a very good support, and in fact even if it stays below 2.55, we can see the next strongest support at 2.5. Very strong support exists here. The moving average is on the hourly charts trading with divergence and bearishness, and hence it is equally important for it to break past by 2.6 and 2.65 zone. Stochastic looking down here is bearish. MACD is also trading flat here, not much of divergence here. RSI is also trading flat on the hourly charts, nothing much it is trying to indicate. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, see 2.55, indeed a great resistance here, only below which we can see net gas dropping more. And yes, for the day 2.6 is the level beyond which you can buy, and if you are buying at 2.6, remember 2.62, 2.65 and 2.68 till 2.7. Once it breaks past 2.7, that is the point where you can consider that as a reversal, and it should fly high above 2.7 levels, and hence till 2.7 you have to trade with caution. You have to put the stop loss at your entry prices or trail it. The stochastic slightly overbought, trying to look down. MACD is, see, first wave is complete, it is willing to give you second wave, so bearish move is done, it should give the crossover for the bullish move. RSI almost flat, and on the 3 hour, now on the 3 hour charts prices, see moving averages have crossed over, trading with divergence. Support is seen at 2.55, double bottom is done. If you divide into two half, you can see identical symmetrical move, and from here if it stays about 2.6, you can expect it to fall back again in the zone of 2.687, and beyond that we can see it hitting this zone here at 2.76 also. This is possible. You can also look at the move from here, 2.5 levels rise, 2.76 retracement, 2.55 levels, and since then now it is trying to look upward. So this is still trying to trade bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here, second wave is starting here, RSI is flat, and on the 4 hour chart, now on the 4 hour chart, second red candle is beginning, but yes, if it stays above 2.6, you should buy here for 2.6465 levels. Very good resistance here. Stochastic flat, MACD is bearish, trading with divergence, and RSI is flat here. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily chart. See, this was the reversal. Since then we have seen the bullishness. It has got the resistance 4 to 5 candles intact at 2.76. Higher lows are seen. Now you can see the move is very much narrowed here. 2.7, 2.55. It is trying to stay in this box. Let it get out, and certainly the direction will be very clear here. Stochastic looking down, trying to suggest slight bearishness. MACD crossing over, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is almost trading flat. So now a couple of observations and summary here is that yes, we can buy here at 2.6 levels, but then you have to remain first cautious of 2.62, then 2.64, and then 2.68, 2.7. So till 2.7 we have to rather put a 2 cents trailing stop loss. Above 2.7 is where maximum rise can be seen. Beyond 2.7 you can expect it to hit past 2.76, the first and strongest resistance what we have seen in the near past, and beyond 2.76 is sky is the limit. This time it should try to cross $3 levels, but that is purely the call on the upside. Now on the sell side, where you should sell, I will recommend you to sell here at 2.56 levels. Below 2.56 you should expect 2.5 to 53, 2.5 to 53, very important support, and then 2.5. If these two levels are taken, then you can treat this as bearish. Below that, if it stays below 2.5, where the bears will take over and it may crash further. Though I will still remain bullish, I will still expect it to rise more, and hence you should trade with a trailing stop loss on the downside, specifically where the more resistance is seen here. So you should preserve your capital. Be ensured that till 2.5 the bearishness might be limited, and hence you should take your positions accordingly. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Also, you can be part of my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start soon. Reach out to again on the same IDs for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you before the US session with the next update. Thank you.